also Melbourne for the last couple of months. Not every day, but most days. Well, around our area anyway. The areas I've been travelling. That I'm allowed to travel, that is. Even though I can't travel very much these days because of our lockdowns. But we're actually having pretty much most days of the week very strong winds. It's been happening like this most days for the last 2 months. Yeah, so that's basically it. Just letting everyone know. At this current time, we're in September 2021. Actually, it's going to be about 3 months now. We're in September because it's July, August, September. Yeah, so for the last 2 to 3 months, I'll just say 2 months to be conservative. Most days of the week, we've had some pretty strong winds.